Good evening, everybody. So it's 30th day of my ongoing challenge, and the protagonist for today's discussion is going to be the simple and sweet the topic that's water. Yes, a very basic but you know the most important, we can say, in our lives, right? Water is something without which we can't survive. Like, we can't even imagine life and anything on the planet, right? Water is the root of our lives, of whole ecosystem. So yes, today that's all we are going to discuss about, from the very basic to the its significance of it to advanced level, right? So let's start it without any discussions, right? Let's just jump on the topic. So water is something that we are blessed with, and we have received this for free. Yes, we do not have to pay for water, just like air. And now a lot of people would say, like, "Yeah, why don't we have to pay? We have to pay for water bottle, we have to pay for fresh air." But listen, people, you are the who have contaminated the air and water, and now you are paying to get clean water, fresh air. So you are responsible if you have to pay for this. Otherwise, nature or mother nature has blessed us with this without any cost, right? So that's something different. Now talk about, as everybody know, what's the you know uh, water. What is water? Water is water, right? And today we are going to just give a basic outlook of the topic, like H2O, right? In science we denote it by H2O, right? And every individual is recommended to drink at least 3 liters of water daily. And if that's a man, he has a recommendation of drinking 4 liters of water per day, right? So various factors depends on your water or liquid consumption. By liquid, I just mean water and things containing water, right? I didn't mean about cold drinks or alcohol and poisonous toxic things. No, I'm not talking about that. So as I said, that water, if we just look at it on the very close incidents in our life, or like what is its importance in our health, right? On our health, physical, mental, and holistic health. So water helps us in digestion, in overall health. Our blood contains about 95 or 96% of water in it. So from this you can understand its significance in our health, on our health. And apart from this, it also uh, improves your metabolism. Then it can help you in balancing your weight. Either you wanna gain weight or you wanna lose weight. Proper consumption of water is going to help you for definite, right? Yeah, now let's talk about apart from health, what is its importance for overall planet. So as we all know that water is something that makes our lives possible on earth, right? So because water is the main or the most crucial factor to maintain all this ecosystem, right? We have water bodies, like we have rivers, rivulets, oceans, and your ponds, all inland water sources. They all plays a major role in maintaining, balancing, or overall, recuperating the environment or the ecosystem. So we must preserve it, we must conserve it, we must take care of it. Now see what's happening, and especially in India, we we call us as a spiritual person. We consider the rivers our mothers, we worship them. But on the other side, or the darker side, what is that type of reverence that we give to rivers by making them contaminated, by throwing tons of plastics in water every year, every month, and we just throw our household waste into the water. So what kind of worship or what kind of respect we give to rivers? It's really really terrible. Yeah, it's I really feel sad to say, but it's important that yes, it is a shame for Indians that we call the rivers our mothers, but we don't keep them right. We don't keep them clean and healthy. Why governments need to bring lot of missions like Gange mission, Namami project to clean our rivers? Can't we as responsible citizens or people of this planet, can't we keep our water bodies clean, neat, and healthy for overall growth and progress? Why we don't understand this? Yes, it is important to clean rivers, and not just rivers, to keep our surroundings neat and clean. Yeah, so this is something that I wanted to discuss, to share, and also to you know to highlight this, that yes, this is a part of our life that we are ignoring the most, and is going to destroy everything in nutshell. If water bodies are contaminated, you can't keep yourself healthy. And if you are not healthy, what is this progress for we are doing? What is this development meant for, that we are ruining everything for this? So the purpose of this video is of course my English practice, but apart from that, I also want me and to for all of us, listen, all of who are listening to me, that please and please, this is my humble request to everybody, please keep your rivers, water bodies neat and clean. It is the most important effort that we need this time. Yeah, so we need to be aware, we need to spread aware. Please spread this awareness, not just to yourself, just please go and make people aware of it, right? I know that everybody know we have to clean, but we do not clean, we don't put our efforts. But please, just once, at least once, on my resistance, that please ask yourself that as a responsible citizen, isn't our duty to keep our water bodies and environment clean or neat? Is there somebody else who is responsible or who is entitled to do this? So on this note, it brings me to the end of this video, of this session. But I hope that whatever I have shared, whatever I have requested in this video is hopefully going to make a change. Please, thank you so much. Please do put your efforts towards it. Yeah, so this was all about this. And what is going to be our next protagonist is what should I talk about? Let's discuss about dowry, right? So we'll be discussing dowry in our next video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Bye bye.